Alright, so literally just installed one of these kinetic control units. Now here is how to do a quick setup of the actual unit. So by default the unit will come pre-programmed with a couple of tune, well, a number of them, but this one will be the default tune. So to change that tune to something else that you're wanting differently, basically. So the two buttons at the side, the top one is the volume button, and then the lower button is to change the music. So just for this, we'll set it up with that tune. So once you find a tune that you like, you must press and hold the top button, which is the one to change the volume. Hold it for 5 seconds. And now, on the new remote, you press the button. And there you go. And that's that done.